Well, hello, folks. I'm coming to you from my quarters here in Hudsonville, Michigan. I'm just trying to add a little something to the video. Wouldn't you know it, today, last night, picked one of those nights to start getting sick. So that's rather interesting, and that doesn't make me feel good. Sorry about the shaking around. I don't have my tripod or anything. I'm just trying to hold this as steady as I can, and I'm not very steady when it comes to holding things. My hands, I shake a lot. But anyway, I'm on day 15 of being up here in Michigan now, and having my car worked on, having a lot of work done on it. And let me tell you, God is truly blessing me. I could, I could say that so-and-so is doing it and this and that. So-and-so is not doing it. This is what God is doing for me. I've helped a lot of people out throughout my life. And this is just God's way of paying back to me. And I want to give him all the thanks and all the credit and all the praise for everything that's going on. I have a great place to stay. It's a nice little apartment. Got everything that I need. They keep putting food in the refrigerator and the freezer of all different kinds. I can't ask for anything else. When I started getting sick, they said, here, well, there's some ginger ale. They put some ginger ale in the refrigerator for me. So, you see, only God does that. He is truly Jehovah Jireh, my provider. And I can't do it without him. So I have to give Jesus Christ all the credit for everything that's taken place. And I just wanted to share that with you. Coming to you from Hudsonville, Michigan. May God bless you richly. Thank you very much.